This guy said it's total nonsense. It's not possible to reverse grey hair taking NMN. Well, let's look at a study that potentially shows the opposite. There was this study looking at NMN promoting cellular proliferation and hair growth by reducing oxidative stress. Now, let me detail a little bit of this. There was two things in this study that which I think were just incredible, because we get a lot of comments talking about hair, regrowth, the reversing of greying or less grey hairs, and whilst we can't say, hey, NMN does this, just look at the results of this study. So hair growth promotion is one thing. NMN was found to reverse hair follicle atrophy, hair thinning, and hair sparsity induced by dihydrotestosterone, DHT. So they also said in this, it shows effects comparable to minoxidil. Now, if you've ever considered taking minoxidil, you have this hair thinning. Before you get your hair back, your hair thins and it's itchy and you have a whole bunch of other side effects. Or, right, potentially, NMN could be producing similar results. And the second one, very interesting, is in cell protection. In the human dermal papilla cells, NMN reduced the release of inflammatory mediators and protected cells from oxidative stress by inhibiting an inflammatory signaling pathway. Okay, technical stuff. And if higher inflammation then equals your hair thinning and getting worse and graying, and we're able to, by supplementing with NMN, reduce the amount that happens, it's fair to say that you will also have a reduction in those effects as well. So there needs to be more studies on these, but this is really, I would say this is a very good signal that something is happening with hair and NMN. We get a ton of comments about hair, energy, brain fog, sleep, all of these things that are being studied and the results are coming out. And there's lots of studies into this, right? Because it seems like it's like too good to be true. But do your own research, right? Speak to a medical professional if you want to, or if you want to buy your first or next bottle of Element 5 NMN, you can do so from TikTok Shop. You can do it literally right now.